Hey, we're gonna go pick the green beans. Hot bucket full of green beans. We're gonna take these to my grandmother because she's actually snapping them for us and getting them ready for us to can, because she can't stand it that she can't get in the garden anymore. She's just not able to do it. But we're gonna take them to her and let her go ahead and start snapping. I've already took a small basket to her. We got this mop bucket full, and then there's probably another mop bucket full out there.
Some of them are not like that now. I think there must be two different kinds of them.
There is. Some of them's bush beans, and some of them are those half runners that you gave me to plant.
Well, I ain't found none of them.
What?
Them half runners.
They're going to be in that basket right there somewhere.
Well,
They're probably in the bottom because I picked them first.
yeah. When I get a hold of one of them, I try to break it, and it won't break. And they're still too green to shell, and they're hard to work with.
Muscle it, Grandmama.
That's what you have to do.
Snap it in half like it owes you money.
They ain't got no runners on them, which is good.
Today we are fixing to pick some blackberries. These are the tame blackberries, which means they have no thorns on them. We've got a mess here. Looks like we probably got enough for at least a pie or two. And before it's over with, we'll have a lot. We'll be able to make some jelly and some jam with the blackberries. We also have wild blackberries on our property. This is my parents' tamed blackberry bush with no thorns. They're not quite as good as the wild blackberries, but they're pretty darn good in a pie. We have a lot of Japanese beetles too. We have to get these before the Japanese beetles get them, because they like blackberries too. Super happy with this score we made today, and with the blueberries and the blackberries. We're gonna have some pie. Yum, yum, yum. So this is our haul of blackberries today, this side. And then I went ahead and picked the blueberries while I was out here. So I have blackberries and blueberries. I think we have enough of both to make, well, the blackberries, I think we have enough to make a couple pies, and the blueberries, I think we got enough to make one pie.